Hey guys, I'm the no-name cuber and today I've got an average of 5. I'm not that fast at solving the Rubik's Cube. I average about 45 seconds, but I made this video because I want to keep track on how much I progress by the time. So let's start with the first solve. Okay. Okay, 48 seconds. That's not so bad, but I think I can do better. So let's get on with the second solve. Okay. "42 seconds. I accidentally dropped the cube, but it's still good. It's under my average. So let's get on with the next solve. Okay. Wow, 34 seconds. That's very close to my PB. It was a OLL skip, PLL skip, sorry, and I had one F12 pair already done. So it's a pretty good time, and let's get on with the next solve. Okay. 48 seconds. That's again pretty bad time, but I still got one more, don't I? So let's get on with the next solve. Okay. "38 seconds. And that would be the last time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please comment, rate and like. Bye bye.